Hi, welcome to Harley Classics, and let's take a look back at 2024.
It's the first sale of the year, Bedford HC. A lovely little van that. And what we think it is, well, we know it's a Rambler, so what we think it could be is a 1903 car, which would make it Brighton eligible. It's a project, it needs doing, it's by no means complete, but it's what we do. We try and find you interesting cars and special cars, commercials, and to be fair, there's not much more interesting than a little thing like that. Right, there she is, and isn't she gleaming? Isn't she lovely? Absolutely gorgeous. And there it is. The Defender 90 short wheelbase commercial that I've waited 2 years for. And he's just brought me this, which I always look forward to, and I especially look forward to it when it has my vans on the front. We've got the Triumph TR2 on the back of the truck, and it's just, I don't know whether you can see, but it's just starting to snow, and Patrick's off tomorrow morning bright and early, and he's going to drop this one off at Leicester. I don't think these cars have ever been as good a value, and I really think people are missing a trick. I've got something really special for you today. As you can see, it's a little 1938 Atco trading car, a very rare thing. Chap came up last week, viewed the car and bought it, and to be fair, look at it. Why wouldn't you buy it? And especially for the price. There's loads out there, I know they are, and they're all in different condition. But this one here really is a lovely little car. What we've got today is a 1912 Rover. So it's 1912. So it's 112 years old, that car. And if that's not a classic car, I don't know what is. We found this extraordinary car. She's a Holtzman motor car that we hope to get it dated as a 1904. The little piggy nose, Bedford CA. Last night a guy contacted us about this little Honda CB50J, which isn't on our website for sale. And to be honest, I wasn't gonna sell it, but I'm stuck for space. So we'll have a look in the workshop and see how Mark's getting on. It's been a couple of hours. So that's the original interior there, pretty shabby. And there you have it. A brand new, bespoke, leather interior. We haven't put a new carpet set in, but what have you done to the carpet set, Mark?
So I've re-edged it and bound it all with matching leather.
Yeah, so we're taking this little van out for a test drive today. And basically what I want to say to you is, vans have become overcomplicated. God almighty, you're frightening the life out of us. And there it is. I don't know whether you who follow my channel can remember the little green British Open Mini, looking slightly different now. there you have it. A little camper van. Just a tidy little thing.
Next, my exhibition unit. Look at it, isn't it fantastic? Next time you see it, it's going to be great. Time of year again, we're getting ready for the Andrew Hardy Classic Car Show, half-8, and it's already starting to get busy. There's Paul Matheson's Scania T-Cab. Him and Charlie have given up the day this morning to come down and show the support. Right, let's take a look at the bike. There we go, Mark 1 Escort. I don't know what variety it is. Looks like the Sierra there. Volkswagen, not too old that one, but it probably is old, it's just I'm older. It's Fred Dibner, and no it's not, it's Michael Davison, a local lad in his steam engine towing a trailer there. And they're fantastic those, absolutely fantastic. Well, the show's definitely filling up now, so let's have a look at some more cars. So that's the last of the exhibitors, 2024, and I'm really happy with the way this car show's gone this year. Bigger than last year, bigger than last year.
Why do people collect automobilia? Why do people collect anything? Why do people collect stamps? Why do people collect wives? Why do people collect anything? I don't really know. We have this BP aviation spirit. Never ever say no one. This is the one thing I went to Bewley for, and the one thing I wanted out of Bottoms Auction. Now, at first glance, you might think, what the hell is that? And if I hadn't seen one before, well, not this particular make, I would have said, what the hell is that?
This is an odd bike, it's an MZ. Have I gone Bedford mad? Possibly. Now this Bedford CF, we bought it last year. We've had it in storage, we've brought it out. I brought it in the paint shop because we're going to do a two-tone paint job on it. Because that lot, they come out the ceiling. Fell on me teeth here. So when we buy everything, we always bring it in the workshops and go through it. So we'll go through it, we'll do the brakes, check the lights, blah 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 blah. When we sell something, we do exactly the same thing. And what a lovely van that is. That's my ride today, the Bedford CA, and I'll tell you something.
I would rather go out on a ride in this van, complete with its sliding door, ventilation, than any car I have at the garage. And I've got some nice ones. I say I'm more of a van man, but as the car goes, I really like this little car.
I want to show you this beautiful 1952 MG TD. These cars have never ever been as much value for money. 1908 Cadillac. What a car. What a find. What a find. I'm going to stick my neck out. I think this is the most little original 1908 Model C Cadillac in England. In fact, it's got to be in England. This one is a superb example. There's only 13 left of this body on the register, on the road. The vans, commercials we have for sale. Got this little 16 plate up here. Transit Custom, nice tidy van.
These two lovely 2018 Reynolds Masters. What else have we been up to? Yeah, new Toy Town.
It's a 2021 JCB micro digger.
Ooh, brand new Bobcat. Ooh, it won't look like that for much longer, will it? Sold the Brine and Ride on spray. That's good.
This is an industrial machine, and if looked after, it will last you a long time. The John Deere 1550, 4-wheel drive, diesel powered grass cutter. The grass cutter head's been replaced and it's got a frail head on. Last week we had some visitors at Hardy's Garage. Two quite famous people, a couple of TV presenters, a couple of antique dealers, might be giving it away here. We had Mr. Drew Pritchard arrive. Actually going in a film Monday and Tuesday, doing a couple of days filming. So you could say on the telly it could be a film star.
We've got Timothy Spall.
Yep.
We've got Jennifer Saunders.
Yep.
We've got Hayley Bennett.
Yeah.
And we've got the driver of this car,
Yep.
Simon Phillips.
Yeah.
They're all very nice, pleasant people, to be honest.
Yeah.
Good few days.
Yeah.
But
And
we
look,
can't
look
pull.
the other side, you've got my signature on.
No, we don't have his signature on. We are training him how to use a pen though, so a couple of weeks time we might have.
As you well know if you follow us on my channel, I love classic commercials. And what's not to love about this little cutie? Yeah, it's another Austin big cab van. Don't look too hard obviously or you could look through. These cars here, these Jags, they're up and coming classic. You know, they're the more modern classic. I don't usually deal in modern classics, but I try and have a variety of everything. Ernie, and he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. There it is. The slowest milk cart in the West. There you go. Look at that. Just look at that. Do I or do I not find some of the most unusual and some of the cutest looking commercial vehicles out there? Look at this, honestly. Come on. Benny Hill, eat your heart out. There it is. The Bedford CA. Everybody who watches this knows I love my commercials, like commercials. It's in my blood. I love commercials. Anyway, we've got a really, really nice thing here. It's not concourse. I'm selling it as a project, so it's priced as a project, and it's rare. It's a 1960s, genuine, and I mean genuine, with the paperwork, post office, telephone, engineers, van. And I'm going to stand back and look at the car and look at the lines, and this car is absolutely gorgeous. stand back and I want you to look at this car. That car is art on wheels.
So I was dressed up as a taxi driver,
Right.
and we did the scene. And
Did you get a tip? Don't come back tomorrow. We're going to use battery.
I could have really better.
Oh, let's look forward to 2025. Bye-bye now.